Hi, our names are Zach,
Landon,
and Daddy. We're doing a PSA on volcanoes. Volcanoes are a mountain with magma in it.
Magma is lava.
Volcano is also a hole in the earth.
The opening of a volcano is called a crater.
Volcanoes can be in different shapes.
Magma is also under the volcano.
Magma is also under the earth.
Volcanoes are dangerous.
Lava can erupt at any time.
Erupt means burst.
Volcanoes can destroy buildings and houses.
Volcanoes have different kinds of eruptions.
Lava flows into the sea.
Volcanoes can destroy land.
Lava can kill animals.
Lava can destroy whole forests.
Lava can destroy a whole city.
You should never be by a volcano when it erupts.
Volcanoes are very interesting too. Some volcanoes rise from the ocean floor.
Sometimes magma bursts out very high.
Volcanologists study volcanoes. You never know when a volcano will erupt. There's a place in the world called the Ring of Fire. The Ring of Fire is made up of volcanoes.
Volcanoes can destroy anything.
Volcano eruptions are very loud. Volcanoes are amazing.